Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to connect your phone to your PC without using a USB cable. Sometimes we find ourselves in situations that requires us to either send a file from our PC to our phone or from our phone to a PC, but we don't have any USB to do that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a way that you can transfer your files from your phone to your PC or your PC to your phone without a USB cable. We are not going to use Bluetooth either. We're just going to use our Wi-Fi or mobile network. It is fast, sometimes faster than a USB cable. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start. But before we continue, please, if you like this video, remember to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I release a new video or upload a new video, and also remember to hit the like button. Thank you. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, to start, there are three things that we need. Basically, we need our phone, our laptop, and also an app on our phone. So let's first get to our phone. So I'm going to put my phone on the screen. Okay, so the app that we are going to be using is called Ftp Tool, which you can download from Google Play Store. So to download it, you open your Play Store, Google Play Store, and then in the search bar you type Ftp Tool. Search. Okay, so as you can see, I have already downloaded it, but you click on the install button to install it on your device. Download and install it on your device. It's not heavy, it's just a few megabytes. Okay, so after you are done downloading, you open it. As you can see, it says no connection. So in order to do this, you have to have a connection between your phone and your laptop. It could either be a Wi-Fi connection or your hotspot. So in this case, I'm going to be using my hotspot as an example. So you go on and turn on your hotspot. Now it has changed from no connection to not running. So let's move to our PC. So now I'm going to connect my PC to my hotspot. Okay, so once the connection is established, I'm going to open my File Explorer by double clicking on this PC. So in the space down here, I'm going to right click, show more. For Windows 11, you have to right click and then click on show more before this pops up. But with a Windows 10, you just right click and this will come. So once this shows up, you click add a network location. Click on next again, and then for the space provided here, you're supposed to provide the internet or network address. So now we are going to move back to our phone. So click on start. Okay, so the internet or network address is the URL on the phone. So that is the ftp://192.168.43.31:2121. So I'm going to type that in here. So FTP. I've been using it, so it gives me different options to choose from. So I'm just going to choose the one which is closer to the one I have on my phone here. So FTP://192.168.43.31. So I'm going to change the 164 to 31 colon 2121. Sorry. So 31. So again, FTP colon //192.168.43.31 colon 2121, then enter or next. Next again. In the space for type a name for this network location, most time it is automatically generated, which when you look at your phone, the IP is the name of the network location, which is the 192.168.43.31. So you just click next. Make sure you check the open this network location when I click finish, so that it automatically opens your storage, as in your phone storage, on the desktop. So finish. So it's going to automatically open. But assuming it doesn't open, or assuming it doesn't automatically opens it on your screen, in order to open it, double click on this PC. Now you see at the network location side we have this. So this is your phone. So just double click and it's going to open your phone storage on your PC. So once you've done this, you are set. You can copy a folder from your phone to your PC, or from your PC to your phone easily. So I'm going to go into the download folder and choose any file. I just want to copy any file to the desktop, or from the desktop to my phone. So let's say I'm going to copy this file here. This is a file. So right click, copy. I go to my desktop, right click again, and then paste. Very fast. Also, I can copy anything from my desktop to my phone. So I'm going to copy this video here. So I'm going to right click on it, copy. Now get to my phone and then paste it anywhere. I can paste it in the downloads folder, or just paste it right here. So right click and then paste. Okay, so it says the file already exists, so I'll just click on yes to replace it. And also, even though you are using your hotspot or your mobile network, it doesn't drain any of your data. It just uses the connection between your phone and the PC. No data is used. You don't have to worry about it draining your data. It doesn't require data connection. So you can do it even though you don't have any data on your SIM card or your phone. It's just the connection that is needed. Okay, so that is it. Please, if you like this video, remember to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also click on the like button. Please share. Thank you.